In this video, we're going to talk about daily budget versus lifetime budget in Meta ads and which one you should choose for better results. Let's start with daily budget. A daily budget is the average amount you're willing to spend per day. Meta may spend slightly more or less on a given day, but over time it will average out to your daily budget. Daily budgets are best if you want your ads to run continuously, you don't have a fixed end date, you want consistent daily spending, you're testing audiences, creatives, or offers. For example, if you set a daily budget of $10, Meta will try to spend around $10 each day while optimizing for the best results. Now let's talk about lifetime budget. A lifetime budget is the total amount you want to spend for the entire campaign or ad set duration. You must set a start date and end date when using a lifetime budget. Lifetime budgets are best if you have a fixed promotion or offer, you're running ads for a specific event or sale, you want full budget control for a set time period, you want Meta to automatically spend more on high-performing days. For example, if you set a lifetime budget of $300 for 10 days, Meta will distribute that budget across those days based on performance. Now, which one is better? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your campaign goal. Use daily budget when running always-on campaigns, testing or scaling ads, you want stable daily delivery. Use lifetime budget when running short-term campaigns, promoting discounts, launches, or events. You want Meta to optimize spend across the campaign duration. One important tip: if you are using ad scheduling, you must use a lifetime budget. Daily budgets do not support ad scheduling. Final recommendation: beginners should start with daily budget for better control. Use lifetime budget when you understand your campaign timeline and goals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more Meta Ads tips and tutorials.